Next up in crypto and financial news, MicroStrategies buys another 1,000 plus Bitcoin at approximately $24 million. Michael Saylor just bought the dip. And this is a good sign. I actually think that we're going to see a lot more institutional money now getting back into Bitcoin. When the world is in these economic times, when there's all this change, all this disruption, right? This is what Bitcoin was created for, right? Bitcoin was created in 2000 on the heels of the 2008 collapse of the banking system, and it was created as a hedge against that banking system, right? So Bitcoin, more than anything, is a place where hyper wealthy people are now parking their money because they want to have a safe hedge. They don't want to be relying on the banks. We saw what happened to Silicon Valley Bank this month with it crashing, right? Potentially putting hundreds of millions, billions of dollars of customer deposits at risk, right? So the hyper rich, the hyper wealthy, big business people, they do not want to trust the banks. They don't want to have all their eggs in one basket, right? Doesn't mean they don't have money in the banks. They don't want to have all their eggs in one basket. So Bitcoin has really emerged as a hedge against this economic uncertainty that we are seeing. And I would not be surprised if we see more and more money flooding into Bitcoin, and that will create the Bitcoin price to rise, because people are not going to feel safe leaving their money in the bank. They're not going to feel safe leaving their money in USD, right, in United States dollars. And I saw a comment when I shared about this on Instagram, which was really funny. They were like, yeah, good luck trusting China and all these other crazy countries with your money, right? If you think the US is bad, good luck with these guys. And I tend to agree, right? Like, I don't want to trade in their currency at all, right? I do not trust China or Russia. They do not believe in freedom of speech, even way less than the US. They do not believe in rights and freedoms, right? No, I don't want to have my money in their currency either, but I don't trust the US either. Where do people park their money? I think that Bitcoin is going to see a lot more institutional adoption because there's really nowhere else to go. There's real estate and there's crypto, there's stock markets, like I said, there's international markets. But as far as a store of value, something that you can trade, you can transact, you can send millions of dollars in an instant, coin is it. Now, that being said, if we do see another bull run on Bitcoin and Ethereum, what happens after the bull run on Bitcoin and Ethereum? We're going to see all these other little coins popping up. We're going to see Ethereum Max 2.0. We're going to see Bitcoin Platinum, and all these fake cryptos are going to be popping up, all these copycats, right? So be really careful. Bitcoin is a really strong, proven asset. A lot of really serious people behind it. Ethereum as well. But if you're not in those two asset classes, there's a lot of money to be made in the other types of coins, but there's also a lot of risk, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum are definitely the two like stores of value, stores of wealth. And then the other coins, again, we always get into them. The other coins are profitable short-term, potentially profitable long-term, but you want to really be careful because every single time there's a bull run, every single time there's a gold rush, right? There's people that are out there taking advantage and trying to fuel off of the hype, right? The whole market will rise, right? As what we saw in the last few years since COVID, right? The whole market rose, but then a lot of coins fell. And as Bitcoin and Ethereum are rising again, you're going to see some other coins will follow its trajectory, but some probably won't. Wow, that clip was crazy, right? Well, if you want to watch the full episode, just click the link over there, wherever it is. Click the link and watch the full episode, and make sure that you smash the like button, hit subscribe, and drop me a comment if you got a question. We'll try to answer it in the next video. I'll see you soon.